In grade school, I never really had any issue with test taking, keeping up with my other classmates, my friends even. Once I got into high school, I started to notice that I started to fall back and my friends started to sort of move forward. They were getting their homework done faster, they had a little bit more free time, they may have moved up to the higher level classes. When I was initially neck and neck, they were starting to slowly inch ahead. After discovering this was not normal, that's when I saw Dr. Zielinski, and I started to learn that a lot of these symptoms were attached to my vision, not being able to process the stuff as fast.
How she figured out that the brain processes hearing and visual, and they line up together, and they need to line up in order for you to hear correctly. And it's very important for children in a classroom to be able to distinguish where sounds are coming from.
My teachers were sort of amazed because I went from not being able to finish tests, taking extra time, getting frustrated, just handing the test in. Even if I was getting the right answers, a half-done test is still a 50%, to getting A's in all my classes. My reading speed picked up drastically. I was calmer in class. I didn't feel as high-strung. I wasn't anxious. I was able to actually comprehend the material, and not only comprehend it, but enjoy the experience. I went from not knowing what I was going to do in my future, being worried, going maybe college isn't for me, to having this newfound confidence, getting into a college and actually pursuing a career.